Welcome to San Jose Boy Scout Channel, Doing the Research. When you picture what you want to accomplish, you can start making that vision real. You'll need good information to make it happen, which means doing some research. Ways to research information include observing, asking and listening, reading, writing, teaching. Observation skills are important in many pursuits. For example, you can make sense out of a map only if you pay attention to landmarks. On a campout, noticing changes in the clouds will prompt you to set up your tent before a storm breaks. During a science experiment, you might watch a beaker to determine at what temperature the liquid inside it reaches the boiling point. The same is true of anything you want to learn about. Observe how someone paddles a canoe so that it glides straight across the water. Watch the way a crew repairs a street or carpenters put up a house. Notice where birds are nesting and what they are doing. Pay attention as scouts teach campcraft skills, and you will understand much more than you did before. Patience is an important part of observation. Sit quietly in the woods for an hour and animals may come within reach. Watch your senior patrol leader running a campout, and you may discover leadership secrets that you can try in your patrol. Asking and listening. People can be an amazing resource. When you are curious about something, ask someone. When you want additional information, ask. When you aren't sure what to do next, ask. Asking questions like, "Could you show me how this works? Can you please tell me why this happens? And is there a better way to get this done?" Can save you from wasting time and effort. People generally are pleased to share what they know. Ask politely, then give them all of your attention as you listen to their answers. There are no silly questions or questions that are too simple. Try to never leave a situation with unanswered questions. Unless you ask, you might never know. Reading. Do you know what makes a computer work? Can you perform some really good magic tricks or juggle 3 balls at once? Can you say hello in a different language? Books can teach you all that and much more. Reading helps you develop a bigger picture of what you would like to do and where you want to be. Often, reading can help you discover details that you couldn't find elsewhere. Librarians at your school and in public libraries can help you find books and other resources that will have a wealth of information on just about any subject you could be looking for, including DVDs, audio recordings, and plenty of other electronic resources. Get a library card and you can take advantage of many library materials that interest you. The internet is a tremendous source of reading material. Search engines can take you directly to information you are seeking and link you to related subjects. Reading is a window into any subject. When you're reading to gain information, as opposed to just reading for pleasure, take careful notes or highlight important passages. If a book or website includes footnotes or references, check those for more information about specific topics. The more you read, the more you'll know, and the better you'll be able to use the knowledge you've gained. Get your parents' permission before beginning online research. Writing. Writing is a terrific way to organize the information you've researched or yearned in a way that makes sense to you and to others. It is an important leadership tool for developing a vision of future success and for setting goals. Putting words on paper or organizing thoughts in a database, website, or blog can be very satisfying and a lot of fun. Explorers and travelers often record what they see by writing in a journal. Scientists take notes about experiments they conduct. Sailors keep a ship's log. Many scout patrols have a whip book in which they write about each of their campouts and bikes. Try keeping a journal of your own. Use a notebook and write a Linda every day about what you've seen and done. Include drawings, photos, stories from newspapers or magazines, and anything else that interests you. If you prefer, use a computer to keep a journal or blog. Teaching. A scout is helpful. Scouts live up to that point of the scout law by sharing what they know. Teaching someone helps you to become better at using a skill too. You can think of it as hands-on research. You can use Scouting's teaching edge method anytime you are helping others learn. First, carefully explain to others the way the skill is done. Then, demonstrate the steps and guide learners as they practice. Lastly, provide the support they need to enable them to use the new skill on their own.